앞에 앞에 뭐가 많구나도
Shirt, no doubt. Explain to the people what we have just done.
We just prayed our Eid prayers.
Eid prayer, Eïd Mubarack to everyone.
May all your du'as get accepted this Ramadan, alhamdulillah.
For the trading audience, may all of your trading profits
occur. Yes.
Ameen.
May you touch trade.
Touch, take profit.
Touch, take profit. Yes, take profit. Yes.
May you guys all be funded with high six-figure capitals.
Yes, Ameen.
All payouts every month.
Ameen.
High quality trades.
Ameen. Fluctuating income. Ameen. Real talk though, real talk.
No, sérieux.
Sérieux.
Oh my god, you could. That's a thing? I didn't even know that. Oh my god. That's where the thumbs up things comes from, right? Yeah, yo. Wow, I didn't even know you could do that. No, the thumbs up I knew, but the heart, that kind of caught me off guard. I wonder what else you could do. Anyway, so we're home. It is Sunday, March 30th. Eid Mubarack. May Allah bless you with all of the love, the goodness, health, wealth. Accept all of our du'as of this month and our efforts, as well as our fasts and our prayers. Me. So I thought it would be a great opportunity to film a quick weekly recap. I will not be going into depth. Oh, hold on. My name is Soukeynaaimee. Hey y'all, my name is Soukeynaaimee. I am a developing day trader, still learning, still evolving. And yeah, girl, I'm just figuring it out, really. Like I was saying, I thought it was a good opportunity to go over my trades this week. Very surface level. I will not be going into depth. I will not be going on the charts, but I will be going through my journal. If you look to the left of me, you can see that I ended up trading literally every single day other than Monday. This was my most active trading week all month for sure. I was not fasting this week. That definitely contributed to it. So we can start with Tuesday. I took 2 trades on Tuesday. For gold, not the best trade to be honest. The actual trade, all right, this, I recall, I put this as a paper trade. I was not fully confident. I'm like, all right, it seemed pretty bullish. You might want to take out this high. And then I just ended up taking this sell after we got a change in the state on the M1. Yo, not proud of this at all. It's not cute. I don't like it. My overview, we're bullish, zoomed out, but once we manipulated yesterday's highs, then displaced to the downside, I thought we may be heading to the downside. Ew, why did I write that like this? We never actually broke past an internal low, so yeah. The highlight of my trade was the M1 change in the state off of the New York Open. That was my entry, the M1 change in the state, the position size 66. Why did I do that? For reference, I am on an account challenge, 10K. The drawdown is $800, I believe, so I'm really trading with only $800 of capital. The exit was the higher time frame SMT high, and it was a loss. I rated it a 3-star. Honestly, looking at it now, that's a 1-star, dude. Let's actually take that off. This is such a bad trade. I don't know what I was thinking. It didn't scream in my face, to be honest. I just wanted to trade. So if we move on to the next trade that I took on the same day during the afternoon, this is a zoom in version of when we first hit my stop loss. This wick right here is what hit my stop loss. And then yeah, this was the outcome of the trade. We can see it hit my stop loss, then hit my take profit. I took this on the same day, so this was my second L of the day. For my overview, I said continuation profile, we retraced into discount of the range, then displaced to the upside. My highlight of this trade was the SMT. It felt clean and easy. And that's how all your trades should be. My entry was the M1 down closed candle. Position size was $500. I took this on the 100K account, so I'm risking 0.5%. The exit was the open of the upside candles. The ideal trade would to have our stop loss at this low and an entry at this imbalance. That would have been super dummy clean, but that's just, in the moment, it's not what I was thinking. Yeah, that was a loss. I felt really good about the trade, so I left it at a 4-star rating. In the commentary, I was like, I wasn't even that hurt hurt, LMAO. I mean, it stinks, but I'm proud of myself for executing a trade I felt super confident in. Only rated a 4-star because of my entry. I mean, in the moment, I really didn't think we'd retrace that far, but hey, waiting for price to retrace deeper to tag me in would have for sure led me to putting my stop at that low. Anyway, no regrets here. No regrets here was mainly lessons. I mean, the entry sucks booty caca, but it's whatever. We move on to the next day. Trade on NASDAQ. Oh my god, I remember this day. Oh my god. Wow, dude, I felt so confident. But I did actually end up mitigating my loss. So we end up sweeping this. Turtle soup was actually a London low. We swept that from the SMT, the space back into the range. I entered at this fair value gap, which lined up with the order block, breaker block, whatever. Loved the entry. We impulsed into a M5 fair value gap. I remember this. These lines right here, this is a highlight of an M5 fair value gap. And then we ended up retracing off it, and then it took me out about like right here. I ended up trailing my stop to the London low. Originally my stop was here and I trailed it to here. I took this trade on both accounts. Overview, overall bullish. We set internal lows, then displaced back into the range. My highlight was fast price, moving with attention. Yeah, my entry was an M1 change in the state. Position size 0.5%. On both accounts was 0.5%. I risked the same thing on both accounts. And I mitigated my loss on both accounts. I think the outcome of this was like 280 something loss, and for this one closed at $18. Rated it a 4-star. In the commentary I said, green loss for me. I don't regret taking a shot at this position. However, I don't think I should have applied full risk at entry. It should have been managed differently, reasoning for 4-star. Though I was completely wrong, which is okay, I don't regret this trade at all. Sales completely caught me off guard, LMAO. I mean, it's clear in hindsight, but it wasn't to me at the moment, which is why I do not regret this trade whatsoever. A couple minutes later on in the day, at 10:30, I executed this sell on NQ. It looks very, very clean. Yes, I really did enter that high. This trade right here, there is a lot to unfold. To be honest, I actually plan on making a whole separate video on that because I'm going to include clips from my personal journal, and then I'll film again like this, breaking down the trade. There's things to talk about. On to the next day, Thursday, and NASDAQ is all, oh my god, this was so painful. I don't have the full screenshot. Dude, I was so hurt that I did not screenshot the final like outcome. It was this close to my take profit, and it ended up reversing me all the way back to break even. So I think for this trade, I was a bit too focused on monetary value. I literally didn't even risk that much. The problem was I did not exit at the low-hanging fruit. I decided to push, and that's what I get. Such a neat manipulation profile. We took the previous day low, did not have SMTs here. This PDA right here is a gap, a literal gap in the market. We took previous day low, this pays back to the upside. We had a reversal model. Everything was just so clean. It was so clean. I just ended up reaching when I should not have. So the overview of this trade, sweep of previous day low, M5 model displacing back into the range. The highlight, it felt easy, clear draw. I entered at the M5 change in the state. Position was $50, 0.5%. Exit, M5 change in the state because it broke me even, and yeah. How do I feel? Very painful trade. I don't have it shown here, but this was literally a couple ticks away from my take profit. Then it completely reversed on me. I don't know why this hurt so much. I carried the pain throughout the day, and that's not okay. It just felt so redundant. Ugh. Stop. I'm okay. I feel so tired of this type of BS. What does this say about me as a trader? Oh my god, I was so in my feelings. I was so in my feelings when I wrote this. Also, I don't think I applied enough risk for my level of confidence of this trade. A bit of fear was involved in this position. YouTube diaries, very important to address. Yeah, this is just for me to look at. I just can't. I was so... Anyway, last day of the week on Friday was a pretty scalpy day. First trade of the day. I was in it for 2 minutes, executed at 9:39. It was a 1 to 2. I was just wrong. Period. I was just wrong, but I felt confident in the trade, so I don't really regret it. Overview, my confident draw towards the equal highs for that moment. Price was moving very fast. Entry wasn't that clean. I entered at an M1 fair value gap, position size 22 beans. Exit equilibrium, M1 wick. It should have been at the low of the wick or whatever. How do I feel? Honestly, I was pretty damn confident we were going to head towards those equal highs. That sell-off completely caught me off guard. Also, really pay attention to how price moved when we hit that NY open. Anyway, looking at it now, I don't really regret the trade. Entry was type ugly. Stop should have been at the low of that wick. I continued. Duration of this trade was 11 minutes. Time execution was about 10 minutes after. The planned RR was a 1 to 2. Clear reversal for a clear draw. Reversal at NY open plus the SMT was my highlight of this trade. It just felt very easy. I entered on a 15-second change in the state. Position size was 24 beans. Exit was the opposing draw, and it was a W. I rated it a 5-star. It felt very easy. A bit anxious because of how price was moving. I was overall wrong on my daily bias. I cannot believe how much we tanked LMAO. I mean, that has nothing to do with me. It was not my low-hanging fruit. See, look at me. I'm just trying to like talk myself through it, really, because it's the only way to do it. And I know I be bugging sometimes. Just yeah, guys, enjoy. Kisses, bisous, ciao ciao. Wait, hold on.
الله